Hello, everyone. This is episode 2 of Derek Tries to Get a New Job. In the last episode, we did the first 3 problems of the Grind 75 list of problems. Today, we'll start on problem number 4, best time to buy and sell stock. All right, so another easy problem, supposedly. You are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choose a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve a profit, return 0. Okay, so say profit equals 0 to initialize that. Return profit. Okay, so in the example of prices 715364, buy on day 2, price is 1, sell on day 5. Okay, so you must buy before you sell. All right, so I think this is something where we need to track lowest. What happened? Okay, it's not working. All right. Sorry about that. That's keyboard issues. All right, so we want to track the lowest that we've seen so far. So we'll initialize that to infinity, and then x. Yeah, okay. So if I just do profit and lowest, then if we go through the prices, so for P in prices, if P is less than lowest equals P, and then P minus lowest is greater than profit equals P minus lowest. Let's see, I think that would work. Okay, that passes all the test cases that are given. Let's add another test case where empty array, we have 10, we have 10, 1. All right, valid test case 3. Okay, so it needs to have at least a value. Okay, it passes all these, submit, and pretty fast. All right, beats 91%.